stiff and tight. And we need the rib cage to be moving so that it helps the breathing muscle able to descend down, and it helps to manage pressure. We're going to take the left arm, spin your left arm open. When there's too much pressure, that's going to lead to pelvic floor tension and contributing to more of those issues like prolapse, pain, leaks. Keep pressing into that right arm, reaching in and out, using the breath. Does it feel stickier one side versus the other? Can you think sending the breath out to the sides and also down into that low back area? Last one here. Good. Hand comes back down to the ground. And we're going to move the blanket off towards the side.